Okay students, now we are going to see some solved examples of NCERT chapter 2. See example number 14. The digits of a two-digit number differ by 3. If the digits are interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number, we get 143. What can be the original number? So such questions are very important from your examination point of view. You should know the basics of such examples. Okay, in exam they may change the values but the concept will be same. So before solving this question, let us see this question by taking another example to understand the concept behind this question. Okay, so let us take another example where we know the number. I'm taking one example. Let us consider I'm taking 96. Okay, this is a two-digit number. Now here we know that this number is at unit place. Okay, and this 9 is at tens place. Okay, so how we'll write this in expanded form? We have learnt in lower classes that this can be written as 96 is equals to, we can write it as 10 into number at 10th place. Okay, this is 10th place, so 10 into digit at 10th place plus digit at unit place. Okay, so here this 6 is at unit place, so this is 6. 10 into the digit at which is at tens place. Okay, here it is 9. This part is clear, so we can write this in this expanded form. I hope this part is clear. Now if we see here, what is the difference between these two? It is 6, 7, 8, 9. There is a difference of 3 numbers. Okay, so the difference is of 3, we can say. If you see in this question also, they have given the difference of 3. So what they want to say here, that the difference between these two digits is 3. It can be 69, it can be 96, but the difference between two digits is 3 only. I hope this part is clear. So first let us consider that 96, we have taken a number. This 6 is at unit place, this 9 is at tens place. We can write this into expanded form, that is 10 into the digit which is at tens place plus the digit at unit place. Okay, now let us consider that our original number is 96. Okay, so our original number, let us take it is 96 after interchange. Okay, now if we have to interchange it, the units we have to interchange, the digits we have to interchange. The digit which is at unit place, now we have to write it at tens place, and the digit which is at tens place, we have to write it as at unit place. So we have interchanged these digits. So this is the meaning of interchanging the digits. I hope this part is clear. So original number was 96. After interchanging, we are getting a number that is 69. We have shifted their places. Okay, now according to the question, let us consider in this part, let us consider that they have given that original number plus interchange value, their sum is 165. What I am saying, sum they have given as 165, which is original number plus interchange is equals to 165 they have given. For example, if you see in this question, they have given that the digit number interchanged and the resulting number is added to the original number. Means which resulting number they are talking about? They are talking about this number. Okay, after interchanging we are getting this number. So when this number is added to the original number, here in this case they are getting 143, but here the example which I have taken, let us consider that the value is 165. It means if we add these two, this original number plus this interchange number, we are getting the answer as 165. So what will be our equation? We can say that 96, that is our original number, plus 69, that is our interchange number, is equals to 165. This is what they want to say here. Now if you add here, you will get it is nothing but 165 only. Okay, now let us solve this question if we don't know this value, whether it is 96 or any other number. Okay, we don't know this, but we are having the information that the sum of this original number plus interchange number is 165. The difference between the two numbers is 3, and we don't know whether it is 96 or 85 or whatever. Okay, now let us solve this question again let us see whether we'll find 96 number or not. Okay. Okay, so here let us consider that the two digit number which we have to find out. Let us consider that the number at the unit place is x. Okay, you can take, instead of x you can take a, you can take y, whatever variable you want to write. So let us consider that the original number, which is two digit number, the digit at the unit place is x. Now they have given that the difference between these two digits is 3. So this digit will be, can we say it is x plus 3. The digit which is at tens place will be x plus 3. Okay. Now according to the expanded form, can we say that our original number will be 10 into the digit which is at tens place. So in this case it is x plus 3. Okay, plus the digit which is at unit place, right? So it will be, when we'll open this bracket, it will be 10x plus 10 into 3, that is 30 plus x. So that will be 10 plus x will be 10x plus x, 11x plus 30. This is our original two digit number. I hope this part is clear. This is a two digit number which is original. So after interchanging, what we'll get after interchange? We know that the the digit which is at tens place will go to unit place. So here can we say it is x plus 3, because this is the digit which is at tens place. Okay, so it will come here, and what will come here? It will be x, because this x was at unit place, so now it will be at tens place. Now again open this bracket, so it will be 10x plus x plus 3, that is nothing but 11x plus 3. Okay, so this is our original number. This is the number which we get after interchanging the digits. So this part is very important. See this part very carefully. Okay, now according to the condition, what they have given, original number plus the number after interchange is equals to 165. Okay, they have given it as 165. So our original number was this 11x plus 30, plus this is the interchange number, that is 11x plus 3, and here we are having it is 165. So it will be 11x plus 11x, it will be 22x, plus it will be 33 is equals to 165. So here 22x is equals to 165 minus 33. So it will be 165 minus 33, that is 132. 22x is 132. Okay, so here we'll find that 22x is equals to 132. So what will be x? It will be 132 divided by 22. So it will be 11 2s or 2 1s 2 1s. So 11 1s 11 6s. So x is equals to 6. Okay, therefore we know that the number at unit place is equals to x. So here it is 6. So the number which will be at tens place, we know that it is x plus 3, that is 6 plus 3, that is 9. So what will be our number, required number? It will be, at tens place we are having 9, and at unit place we are having 6. So our required number is 96, which we have done here. Same example I have solved here where we don't know the number. Okay, now we are getting that this number is nothing but it is 96. If you are getting 69, that is also correct, because in that case you may take the number which is at unit place as x plus 3. Okay, and at tens place you may have taken x. Both are correct because they are interchangeable. They have changed the value, digits. Okay, so this was the introduction part about this question. Same way we have to solve this question. We'll solve this question in next video.